Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Derma Co Vitamin C Serum. This powerful antioxidant serum is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, helping to brighten your complexion and protect against environmental stressors. It works by reducing hyperpigmentation and promoting an even skin tone. Incorporating it correctly ensures you get the maximum benefits for healthier, glowing skin. After cleansing and toning your face, dispense 2 to 5 drops of the serum onto your fingertips. Gently massage the product evenly across your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to fully absorb into your skin for about 1 minute before moving on to your next step. This ensures optimal penetration and effectiveness for a radiant glow. For best results, apply your vitamin C serum in the morning. This provides excellent antioxidant protection throughout the day when paired with sunscreen. Always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from UV damage. Consistency is key, so make it a regular part of your daily regimen. A common mistake is using an oxidized serum, which appears dark brown or yellow and loses effectiveness. Also, be cautious when combining vitamin C with other strong actives like retinoids or benzoyl peroxide, as these combos can trigger skin irritation. Remember, consistency and proper storage are vital for maintaining the serum's potency. For other great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check out the description below. Your skin and feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.